This is Sam with Off Leash Canine Training, and this sweet girl I got sniffing around right over here is Mocha. Mocha is a 2-year-old chocolate lab that just got dropped off for our 2-week board and train program. Some of the issues we're dealing with here: she does not come when called, she pulls on the leash, and she is obsessed with other dogs. Otherwise, we're really just going to be working on building some stability for her. She doesn't have any real behavioral issues. I hear she likes shoes a bit too much, but otherwise it sounds like she's just fine. But real quick, she does have some training, she does understand some commands, just that stability we're working on. We'll see what she'll do for me here today. Mocha, come. Sit. Mocha, sit. Mocha, sit. Oh, all right, sit we got. Down. 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 Not doing that one. Mocha, please. Mocha. Come. Mocha, come. Yes. Come on, please. Oh, please. Nope, we're not doing that. All right, guys. Well, she's going to turn into an awesome dog over the next 2 weeks. Can't wait to show you. Come on, girlfriend.
Gone, feel you drawn close to the sea. Let me on, give me some, then you can leave. But before the morning breaks, call me someone else's name. 'Cause it's time tomorrow, I'll hate me all the same. I can't be lonely when I'm not alone. Listen to myself and then I'm alone. Wish I believed that I was done and noticed to feel this I'm here. I want to let go, let go, let go, 'cause I need it. I never felt this, it's not good for my heart. Hey, I want to run away and don't look back, but to hide in place. I just want to free myself alive and never be the same girl. But I can't escape another breakback, and I have to work to make it sound like work. Hey, I want to run away and don't look back, but to hide in place. I just want to free myself alive and never be the same girl. But I can't escape another breakback, and I have to work to make it sound like work. Baby, I want to run away and baby, I just want to free myself alive. I want to run away and don't look back, to hide in place. I just want to free myself alive and never be the same girl. But I can't escape another breakback, and I have to work to make it sound like work. No choice, no choice, no choice, and I'm here. I want to let go, let go, let go, 'cause I need it. I never felt this, it's not good for my heart. Hey, I want to run away and don't look back, but to hide in place. I just want to free myself alive and never be the same girl. But I can't escape another breakback, and I have to work to make it sound like work. Hey, I want to run away and don't look back, but to hide in place. I just want to free myself alive